Good morning, third class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, student, first of all, please take out your English things from your bag. Okay. So, today we are going to start at block 2 and today's topic is articles. So, student, look at this picture carefully and tell me, is there a kite in the sky? Yes, there is a kite in the sky. Next one, how does the kite look? So the kite is colorful. Next one, who is on the slide? So a little girl is on the slide. Next one, is there a sandbox? Yes, there is a sandbox. Now tell me, how does the sandbox look? So the sandbox is round. So student, tell me, look at these sentences. So there are some sentences. Now find out articles from these sentences. So in first sentence there is article A. Second sentence the, a, a. Here is also A. And here is the. So students, can you tell me which are the indefinite article and which are the definite articles? So in these sentences, we will use a and the article. So now look at this. When do we use definite articles and when do we use indefinite articles? Now let's discuss. We use a and an when we talk about people, places, animals and things for the first time. So when we talk over the first time, we will use a and an. Next one, we use the to talk about the same people, places, animals and things after we have us a and an. So a and an is used only before singular nouns. So we use a and an only before singular nouns. The used both singular and plural nouns. So here are a and an indefinite articles and the is definite articles. I hope it is clear to you, students. Next one. Now look at these sentences. Here are two sentences. Let's play the basketball. And second one, the milk is good for you. So student, tell me, are the sentences on the board correct? And why or why not? Are these sentences correct? No, these are not correct. So now let's discuss. We cannot use the before milk and the basketball in these sentences. We are talking generally about milk in the first sentence and not about a glass of milk or any specific type of milk. So we don't use the before the names of sport and games. So here in these sentences, here we will not use the and here we will not use the. Okay, I hope student it is clear to you. So this is your worksheet. Now let's discuss. Underline the sentences where the article are used incorrectly. So you have to underline that sentences their article is incorrect. So here first, Galileo was a scientist. So here a को आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. यहाँ पे आपका द आएगा. Galileo was the scientist. He told people that an earth is not flat. Here the earth is specific, तो यहाँ पे द आएगा. The earth is not flat. It is shaped like a sphere. I hope A part is clear to you. There is a B part. Many scientists have been to a moon. So here the moon. I often wondered how they built the rockets then travel so for one day I want to become an astronaut. A nahi, an astronaut, and go to space. So I hope A and B part is clear to you. There is question 2. Complete the sentence using an or the. So now let's discuss. I had dash strange dream. So I had a strange dream. I saw a bike standing in the room. Next one, the bike was special. यहाँ पे स्पेशल है इसलिए द यूज़ करेंगे. It could fly. When I got on to it, it turned into an aeroplane. यहाँ पे ए है वोल, ए वोल से पहले एन यूज़ करेंगे. It took me to star that was many light years away. So I hope it is clear to you. Next one, thankfully when I woke up, the bike and the aeroplane were both gone. So I hope it is clear to you. There is question 3. Which sentences are correct? Tick them. So you have to find the correct sentence and you have to tick. First, I play tennis every weekend. Lucy drinks milk every day. It is correct. Next one, the honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. The नहीं आएगा, टिक करेंगे. It is incorrect. Next one, क्रॉस करेंगे इसको, ये करेक्ट नहीं है. The sugar is bad for teeth. So the sugar नहीं, sugar is bad for. क्रॉस करेंगे. Children are usually very playful. The children are usually playful. इसको भी क्रॉस करें. So यहाँ A and B are correct. I hope this worksheet is clear to you. So students, there are 3 keywords: A and the. So these are your keywords. You have to write down in these keywords in your notebook. So thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. After that you have to complete your 2.1.